And our this Vice Chancellor already have mentioned that your journey started from the school level to this university. Usually you start from the college. Now you have entered the university. So that's good. And already mentioned there are so many curriculum already in this university. And previously for so many these things discipline, we have to move particularly from Tripura to outside. Now there are so many curriculums already mentioned that there are about 59 departments. Just I cannot think of. Really I am very happy. And in future also I think this benefit will be received by the Tripura students. And I heard that from the northeastern regions the students are coming, and from other states of our country they are also coming. The name and fame you have already earned, and I think it will go on. And from the government side, we always encourage that this kind of university should come. And from the government side, we have some objective in the education. Education is our primary sector. Health is our primary sector. So in that, there are some objectives we have, formulating various policies and programs related to education and ensuring their actual implementation. What we say, that should be implemented. It should not be in written order, that we follow as our Honorable Prime Minister says. To ensure quality education and teaching processes in educational institutions. You see, I was also teacher in medical college. I understand the feelings and the music of the students in the college, that I feel always. There should be a very good this relation between the teachers and students. And I think in Ikta University that you are also doing the same, to work for the development of neglected poor women and minorities. That also our objectives from the government side. Providing financial assistance through scholarship. Yesterday also I had attended one program. So many these things for the benefit of the students. We have some programs, this like scholarship, loans, etc. We are providing to the deserving students. And not only this, implementation of national education policy. For the last 33 years, the nation was waiting that when there would be a policy, national education policy. But our Honorable Prime Minister, he has made it after 33 years, NEP 2020. And I think you are also following. There are some students, you will be surprised to know that they did not even understand what is national education policy. And they are agitating also, because you know the first year it has got very good opportunity, entry and exit. You can anytime you can exit. So they do not understand, they are agitating. I urge upon them that they should understand what is what. If you, the 4 years course in this graduation section, if in first year, if you don't get 50%, you cannot go for the this second semester. So this is very difficult. You cannot say that immediately you have to have this examination. So after first year, if you clear, then you will get certificate. But you can exit. If you go to the second semester and if you get through, you will get the diploma. If you get through the third year, then you will get the degree. And if you clear the final year, then you will get the honors. So this is the way. Just I am telling here only a part of the NEP 2020. So I think the newcomers, they will enjoy the music of this university, and wish you all the best and pleasant journey. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
একটু চেষ্টাতেই দুল লেগে যায় নববধূর কানে, একটু চেষ্টাতেই মানিয়ে নেওয়া যায় বিবাহিত জীবনে। নানা অনুভূতি জড়ানো বিয়ের গয়না। শ্যাম সুন্দর কোম্পানি জুয়েলার্স।